Yeah. Hi guys, today I'm with my brother. He's gonna show you the backpack. If you watch me seeing my backpack, it's good for you. So this is my Angry Bird brother Noah, and his is cars. He has Mega Good Coin and Maynard. So let's get started. First, on the big section, that like you put your homework. He got this folder that I gave him that's very old. And I got him this crayon box from Walmart. And even that folder was at school too. So let's go to the next pile. He got this total pen. He got this total sharpener, and you can put your crayon. You can put your pencil on there. You can get one pencil and put it there to hold it if you don't want to lose it. So you can put all of them. Noah's just have a couple stuff to show you. He got this green pencil that was from my friend Ty too. So if you saw the tiger one at my video, you can really see. And this is a yellow scissors for him that was in a little packet from school for his school. And the last one is a pink eraser that I have in my videos. So bye!